County in east central Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:22 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Fountain, or 15 miles southeast of Colorado Springs, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Colorado Springs, Fountain, Peterson Air Force Base, Security, and Rod Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Did you hear the guys said? The weather radio said, 2-inch hail. No way. I cannot even believe that. That's my first time I hear that 2-inch hail has been reported. We have ping pong ball size hail has been reported, but I'll publish it later. Look at that. That storm is right on top of us. Ooh, look at that. It's like a supercell right there, I think. Because it looks like we're actually on the supercell thunderstorm. They might even drop a tornado. More storms are coming in. Look at that. Well, Oh, another one. Wow. That was like about a minute.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County and east central Colorado until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Ellicott, or 22 miles east of Colorado Springs, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellicott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wow.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued
That's another warning.
thunderstorm warning for
It was like about
County and central Colorado, southwestern El Paso
Shut
County.
up. After that first warning, which is EAS.
PM Mountain Daylight.
Crap. EAS number 22. About a minute ago, another EAS went off. That's pretty cool.
Northeast at 20 miles an hour.
I'm gonna keep this on
Hazard.
until
60
another
miles an
EAS
hour
goes
wind
off.
gusts.